Alright, good morning. Back at it again. Today, we're taking the Flik Wing up. And we're going to test some PID setting changes that will hopefully fix the kind of pitching up and down that it does in like stabilization mode. So, kind of similar to what I did to the right wing last weekend. So, we'll see if that fixes that. And we're going to practice a little inversion, flying upside down, see how that goes. So, stay tuned. Also, that's the vents. I do ride with the cover on, but these vents help keep the O4 nice and cool. So that's the wing. Let's get it up in the air. See it. Alright, I found it. Looks like I lost the cover. Let's get in there and get it out. See if we damaged anything. I doubt it. Cover looks good. Shit. Well, nothing a little E6000 can't fix. So, just didn't have the down elevator in order to get it up. I was just struggling, so it was an acro mode instead of manual mode. So oh, that whole wing. Alright, well, should be easy to fix though. It's also laminated, so it's a little bit more durable than normal. Alright, well, I tried. Let's get it fixed and get it back into the air. Alright, so as you've seen in that last clip, we hit the tree pretty hard. So we ended up splitting the wing here and along the back, and the control horn's kind of pulled out, so I'm not sure if that was part of the issue, but definitely learned that we don't have the down elevator as much in acro mode as they do in manual. So if we're going to go inverted, we got to stick to manual mode. But ended up ripping out the UFL connector off one of the antennas for the O4, so replaced that real quick, and a little E6000 and a couple pins, and we were able to get everything glued back together, and then slapped some laminate film back over some of the damaged areas. So other than that, looks good. Let's get it back up in the air and see how she does. Alright, I got her back. She's a little scraped up on the bottom and probably needs a new prop, but it flies. She's got some battle wounds, a couple cracks here and there, but other than that, she still flies. So let's get it back in the pier, See you next one. Bye.